Hello everyone, most welcome in my channel. Today I will discuss you syllabus of fashion designing. Okay, I will speak little bit in English because English is important in fashion designing. If you don't speak in English language, don't worry, I will speak in Hindi. Okay, so let's start it now. I want to say something about fashion designing. Okay, you know about I uploaded many videos in my YouTube channels related to fashion design. Okay, today I will discuss about what will you read in fashion designing's books. Okay, first is a fashion basic. Okay, you in the mind come question, what is a fashion basic? Fashion basics is a book I will teach you in the next video. Okay, this is a step by step I will discuss you related to fashion designing books. Okay, second one is the elements of design and color. Book number is second. What is the elements of design is color. Elements means tattva of design. Okay, so I will discuss you related to elements of design books. Okay, third book is elements of design, line, shape and texture. If you noticed, I was uploaded in my YouTube channel many videos according to related to line, shape and texture, but I thinking about of okay, what is line, what is shape, what is texture in fashion designing, and you are thinking also. So I will make different types of video related to line, shape and texture, and what is the line, shape and texture in fashion design. I will upload it again and again and step by step. Book 3. Okay, for video or for topic is principle of design. Okay, this is a book 4. Next is a book 5, market research. Okay, what is a market research? I will discuss step by step video. Okay, this is a book number 5. Source of inspirations, book number 6. The design process, book number 7. History of India ethnic wear, book number 8. Okay, all the topic is very important in fashion designing. Okay, I will discuss step by step. Don't forget like and subscribe and comment in my channel. Okay, because if you want to become a good fashion designer, I will discuss you different types of topic. Okay, in fashion designing मैं fashion designing में different types के topic पर आपसे बात करती रहूँगी, यानी कि आपसे वीडियो के थ्रू डिस्कस करती रहूँगी. ठीक है, आई होप कि आप कमेंट के द्वारा भी पूछेंगे कि क्या क्या टॉपिक आपने पढ़े हैं, और जो जो टॉपिक मैंने सेंड करे हैं आपको PDF के द्वारा या वीडियो के द्वारा, आप उससे भी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर पूछेंगे. ओके, तो ये आपके बुक हैं जो कि आपको फैशन बेसिक में बुक 8 आपको कवर करनी होगी फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग में. ओके, तो आप मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर लो क्योंकि स्टेप बाय स्टेप वीडियो मैं दूंगी. ओके, गुड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.